Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jo and today I'm going to show you how I made a cute little bow keychain. Now cut a piece of fabric 7 inches long by 2 inches wide, fold it in half lengthwise and sew along the raw edges. Now that you've completed sewing along the long edge, you will add a split ring to your piece of fabric. Pull the split ring through and fold in half widthwise, and now you're going to sew along the short edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. After clipping your threads, you will turn your fabric piece inside out so that the seam is on the inside, and place your split ring close to the seam. You will now sew across to secure your split ring in place. Fold the edges downwards as shown in the video, and you will place a 1/2 inch wide strip of vinyl across the middle and secure. Make sure that you turn your vinyl piece wrong side up before stitching, and then you will turn it over after you've completed your stitching, and secure it in the center. And at that point you would have completed your bow. You can also jazz it up with a chain or anything you would like to add to it, and you can also place a swivel hook to the end, as I will be doing. So turn over the middle piece as shown in the video, and then you can add your swivel hook and any other decoration that you might want to place on it, and you will connect this now to your bag or wristlet or wherever you want to place it on, or use it as a simple keychain. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please check out my other videos and consider subscribing to my channel for more great content. See you in my next video.